Hi guys, Birthday52 here. I am doing a giveaway today. It's for Mech Angel Wings. I won them in the Eagle Adventure and I don't really want them. It's these pink ones. So everyone needs to comment, and I will be choosing the winner tomorrow. Wait, no. I'll be choosing it in 4 days. So whoever everyone needs to say a reason why, and if you're a member or non-member, and a reason why you want them or need them. And I will go on the random number thing, and it'll pick a number, and that'll be my number. And also, also when you comment, you need to put your username on, so that I can send it to you or trade you. So, yeah. Bye!